Personal gender pronouns are a fundamental part of how we represent ourselves. To properly reflect a person's gender identity, it's important that people use the correct pronouns when referring to an individual. In order to provide clarity for others and promote an affirming and inclusive community, people sometimes include their personal gender pronouns with their name and title. This video will demonstrate how personal pronouns can be added and shared to an individual's profile within the Canvas environment. Start by going to CSB+SJU website. Click on the hamburger menu. Select Tool from the side menu. Select Canvas, and log in with your CSB+SJU account. From the dashboard, select Account from the side menu. Go to Settings. Select Edit Settings on the right-hand side of your screen. Initially, your pronouns will be set to none. To change that, select the caret for the drop-down menu and select your pronouns. Once you have selected your pronouns, select Update Settings. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please contact Instructional Technology or the Help Desk if you have questions about using this software.